Hello students, here in this video we are going to start a new chapter of class 7, that is exponent and power, and that is chapter number 13 of class 7. So see here, let me explain first what is exponent and what is power, or we can say base and power. So here if it is written 2 to the power 6, the number which is written in power, this is called exponent and this is called base. So the simple term is called base and this is called power, or we can say exponent. Okay, these are the two concepts. Now see here, first question. What we have to do here in first question, find the value of 2 to the power 6. 2 to the power 6 means the power is written here 6, means you have to multiply the given base 6 times. Like here it is written 2 is written how many times? 2 is written 6 times. So when you multiply 2 into 2, it will gives us 4, and here 2 into 2 4, and here also 2 into 2 4. So 4 4s are 16 and 16 4s are 64. So see here it is written 64. Now let me give you one more example. If 9 to the power 3 is given, it means the number which is base is 9. You have to multiply the given base according to the given number of power. So given number of power is 3. So 9 which is base has to be multiplied 3 times because power is 3. Likewise, you can solve all the options. Now this is vice versa of question number 1. Here base is given and we have to convert it into power. Express the following in exponential form. Exponential means the given base we have to write it in power. Now here what is the term written? Term is written 6. Now it is written how many times? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here we will write 6 to the power 4. So this 6 becomes 6 to the power 4 in exponential form. Now see here t into t. Now what about if not number is given, if variable is given? Then t is our base. So what we will write? We will write t, and t is written how many times? T is written 2 times. So we will write t to the power 2. Likewise b. B what we have to do here? B is written how many times? B is written 4 times. So what we will write? B to the power 4. So this is how you can complete question number 2. Now let me show you what is given in question number 3. Express each of the following numbers using exponential notation. Now for given this larger digit, what we have to do? First we have to do prime factorization, which is like this. Now 512. So 512 is divisible by 2. So if we divide it, 2 2s are 4, carry goes 1, here it becomes 11. So 2 5s are 10, carry goes 1, here it becomes 12, 2 6 are 12. Now here again 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, carry goes 1, 2 8s are 16. Next one, 2 6 are 12 and here 2 4s are 8. After that 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. Okay. Now next one what we have to write, see how many times 2 we have written? 1 2 3 and here is 4. So here you can see 4 times 2. In first one we can see here see here 1 2 3 4. Now what about remaining numbers? There are 1 2 3 4 5 times also 2. So we will solve for 32. So what is 32 here? See, in 32 this is given 4 times 2 we have written already. Now let me show you for 32. Okay, here it is written 32. So what we have to do for 32? Here 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. Here 2 8s are 16. Now 2 4s are 8. Here 2 2s are 4. Last one 2 1s are 2. 4 times 2 already we have solved, and this is 5 times 2. So total how many times 2? Here it is written total 9 times 2. Now count this 2. How many times it is written? See here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So after doing prime factorization you will easily get factors of 512. Now exponential form. So 2 is written how many times? 2 is written 9 times. So we will write 2 to the power 9. Same you have to do with 343. Likewise see 343, it is divisible by 7. Okay. Now what we have to do, see 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28 and 7 5s are 35. So here we will do 7 4s are 28. Now when we will take out 28, here what is remaining left? Here it is remaining left 6. So say for 7 9s are 63. Now 7 7s are 49 and here last one is 7 1s are 7. So here how many times 7? 3 times 7. So here it is written 3 times 7. Now what you have to do for exponential form? You will write 7 to the power 3. Likewise you will solve all the other options. Okay. This is our question number 3. Now let me show you what is given in question number 4. This is our question number 4. See what is given here. In question number 4, it is written C. Identify the greater number wherever possible in each of the following. So which one is greater, 4 to the power 3 or 3 to the power 4? So for finding out greater number, what you have to do simply, you can check the powers. Why? 4 is multiplied how many times? 4 is multiplied 3 times. So here it is written 4 into 4 into 4, which is 64. And 3 is multiplied how many times? Here you can see power. So 3 is multiplied 4 times. So 3 is multiplied 4 times, it will give us 81. Now it is clearly seen here that 81 is greater than 64. And 81 is which power? 81 is power of 3 to the power 4. It means 3 to the power 4 is greater than 4 to the power 3. Okay. Here also one more question given. 5 to the power 3 means 5 multiplied 3 times, which gives us 125. And 3 multiplied 5 times, which gives us 243. Here we can see 243 is greater than 125, which means 3 to the power 5 is greater than 5 to the power 3. Likewise, you can solve further options. Okay. Now see what is given in question number 5. Here is our question number 5. Express each of the following as a product of power of their prime factors. Prime factor means, let me explain what is prime number. Prime number means the number which is having 1 and number itself as a factor, like 2. 2 is divisible by 1 and 2 is also divisible by 2. If we say 4, 4 is divisible by 1 also, 4 is divisible by 2 also, and 4 is divisible by 4 also. So any number which is having only 2 factors, 1 and number itself, this is called prime factor. Okay, or we can say prime number. So see here 648. Now let us solve first 648. What is given here? See 648. So first we need to do prime factorization. 648. So 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Now again 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4. Now here 2 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2. Now it is divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. And here it is 3 9s are 27 and 3 3s are 9. So 2 into 2 into 2 and 3 into 3 into 3. This is our prime factorization. So see here our prime factorization 2 into 2 into 3 and 3 4 times. So in exponential form 2 is written 3 times, so we will write 2 to the power 3, and for 3 it is written 4 times, so we will write 3 to the power 4. So like this you can express it in exponential form. This is our question number 5. Now let us see question number 6. See here what is given in question number 6. Okay, this is our question C. In question number 5, there are so many options. First, you have to split it into its prime factors. Then you have to count how many numbers is written how many times. Then you have to write number of times in power. Now see, 6 number. 2 into 10 to the power 3. So 2 is all alone, but 10 is written how many times? 3 times, because power is 3. So what you will do? 2 and 10 multiplied how many times? 3 times. So 2 into 1000, answer is 2000. Okay. Now here also you can see 7 is multiplied how many times? 2 times, and 2 is also multiplied 2 times. So 7 2 times and 2 2 times. Combinedly we will get 196. This is our question number 7. Now let us see what is given in question number 8. This is okay. Question number 8. Let me show you what is given. This is okay. 1 minus power is also given. Let me explain this also. Here it is written 2 to the power minus 2 to the power 3 and minus 10 to the power 3. So any base is having, if any base is negative and having cube as a power, if any base is negative and having cube as a power, then our result is always in negative. Like see, minus 2 and minus 2. Okay, first we have to multiply this, minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. So whenever you are having any number having 3 negative signs, then our resultant is always in negative. Like minus minus, plus, and plus minus minus. So here is our minus. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So minus 8. Here you can see minus 8. So likewise you will solve minus base questions. Okay. Now last question of this exercise, question number 8. Compare the following numbers. So we have to compare it. So instead of looking at the decimal or the whole number, we will see the base and the power. So here is 10 to the power 12 and here is 10 to the power 8. Which power is greater? 12 is greater. So 2.7 into 10 to the power 12 is greater than 1.5 into 10 to the power 8. Okay, now here also base is same. So again we will compare base and power. So here 10 to the power 17 is greater than 10 to the power 14. See here it is written. So likewise, by comparing base and their powers, you will find out which number is greater. So this is all about this exercise, that we have to see exponents, power, and we have to learn how to write exponential form and what is base, what is exponent. So thank you students for watching this video.